and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys 5 things that do not get clean often. Everyone is hypersensitive about what they touch nowadays, but are they really paying attention to everything they touch? People cautious about the surfaces they touch when they're out and about, but what about the small surfaces and items they come in contact with inside their home? So I hope you guys sit back, enjoy this video, and learn something. Light switches. Light switches are frequently touched going in and out of the home. So what I do for mine is I have this microband 24-hour. If you can't find it, any multi-purpose cleaner spray that cleans 99.9% work just as fine. I do not spray them directly because they are electrical. So I have a clean white rag here, and I spray the rag and I wipe them down really good. I also have a toothbrush that I use to get like in between the crevices and stuff, just to make sure that I am getting all of the surface. Number 2, doorknobs. Doorknobs is another frequent thing that be touched going in and outside the home. If you have doorknobs like I have, it has a keypad where you have to put in a code to access the door. With that being said, it's frequently touched by hands. So I do the same thing to clean my doorknobs as I do for my light switches. I don't spray the spray directly on the doorknobs, at least not the keypad anyway. I just spray my rag and I give it a good wipe down. This is the rag I use to clean the one doorknob and that one set of light switches. It is absolutely filthy. I chose the white rag because I wanted you guys to see the dirt. So imagine if you was to get all the light switches in the house and all the doorknobs in the house. Imagine what you would see on this rag. Number 3. iPads, laptops, computers, etc. Anything that falls in that field. What I have here is my daughter's iPad, which that is the cover that I'm taking off. And when I took it off, I was scared because I didn't know what to expect. You know, she takes this thing everywhere. This is her livelihood. We go to the store, this is what she takes. This is what keeps her occupied. And as you can see, I have absolutely what this is on the back of her iPad by being in a case. It's sticky, it's nasty, and it grossed me out, by the way. But nevertheless, once again, I use the same purpose cleaner for her iPad. I do not spray it directly. This is my daughter's iPad cover. It is absolutely amazing. Many times as she has dropped her iPad, it has never cracked, broke, or even got a scratch on it. But it is also absolutely filthy. So I have a new white rag here I am going to use to clean the rest of my items with. So I hope you guys continue to enjoy the rest of this video. I do have a screen protector on her iPad, and with that being said, around the edges of the screen protector is a little gritty and grimy, so I just have a toothbrush just to go across the edges of it just to get that grit and grime. Number 4, AirPods, earbuds, headphones, etc. are another frequent touch items. So what I have done, I collected my AirPods, my husband's AirPods, and I collected my son's headphones. To clean them, I just take a brush and I go in between the grooves to remove any wax that may have built up on them. But for as disinfecting them, I just spray my rag with the disinfectant spray and I just wipe over them really good. That way, not only has I removed the wax from them, but they are disinfected and you know that they're clean. Lastly, game controllers, remote controllers, any kind of controllers, anything that multiple people gonna use a touch for as controller wise. I often tell my son, like, your controllers need to be clean, disinfect daily, especially when he have his friends over and they all upstairs playing a game. Like, I cannot stress it enough to him. But I use the same method. I do not spray the controller. I use the rag. I spray the rag and I give it like a good wipe down, get in between the grooves, the places that I can't get, like in between the buttons and stuff. I take the toothbrush and I get those on the side, the creases where the side of the hand goes from sweat and dirt and grime, get up on the side of it where where the controller is joined together at, be really filthy. So I use the toothbrush to get in between those. And the same method for my remote controller. I do not spray them. I use the rag and I wipe them down really good with the antibacterial spray. And I take the toothbrush and I get like in between the buttons, because sometimes my husband or my son may be eating and go touch the remote controller, and now it's like little food in between the buttons. So like I take my brush and I clean it really well. As you can see, these are the two rags that I use to clean the items in this video today. The first rag here I use to clean the iPad and iPad cover, the headphones, and the controllers, and it is absolutely disgusting. The second rag here is what I use to clean the doorknobs and the light switches. I hope you guys learned something from this video. I hope I was able to open your eye maybe to stuff that needs to be cleaned more frequently. With that being said and with that being done, I hope you guys go clean some of the items in your home. If you're new to my channel, thanks for stopping by. Make sure you go hit that subscribe button. Thank you. Until the next time, until the next video, thanks for watching. Bye.